Hello, my name is Mike Searson. I'm with Live Your Life Learning to make your life better. This week we look at LinkedIn.com. We look at LinkedIn posts. LinkedIn allows a person to write blog posts. The blog post will then appear in a feed that others can read. A person may write a post about different professional career topics. One topic a person may write about is different remote opportunities. A person may learn about different remote opportunities through LinkedIn posts. Here are 2 ways to find out about remote opportunities through LinkedIn posts. Number 1. Your connections and network. Are you connected with people to have a network? On the home page, you will find a feed listing different blog posts on LinkedIn. The blog posts will often come from other people in the network. You may increase the odds of seeing remote opportunities by growing your network. You can invite other people to belong to your LinkedIn network. You can send out an invitation request. You may increase the odds of people agreeing to be in your network by including a personal message. Some ideas for this personal message can be: you can communicate how you and the connection are related. Or you can mention details about the person who impressed you. Including a personal note may increase the odds that a person will connect with you. You may wish to connect with the following people: recruiters and human resource professionals in the company that interest you, managers in the department in the company that interest you, recruiters and human resource professionals from temporary agencies. Look for recruiters that specialize in your field. Number 2. Keyword search. You may use keywords in the keyword search box to find remote job opportunities on LinkedIn posts. You may use keywords to find your next remote opportunity. A keyword search will, hopefully, present you with different choices. Each choice will have brief information about the content of that choice. You then can select that choice to get more information. You may find search results listing sections. A section is a group of similar choices in that search result. Some sections could be people, choices of different people who have profiles on LinkedIn. Posts, blog posts people have written on LinkedIn. Jobs on LinkedIn. Look at the choices in the posts section. Hopefully you will find a choice that interests you. Click a choice that you would like to explore further. You will then get a description with more information. Hopefully, you will find some descriptions with remote job opportunities that may interest you. Using the following words in your keyword search may be helpful: the profession you are interested in, remote or similar words like virtual, careers or similar words like jobs, occupation, or profession. Boolean searching. Boolean searching rules tell your search engine how to search with the words you type in. LinkedIn uses Boolean search rules. An article that describes some of the Boolean search options is, and that article name is, Using Boolean Modifiers When Searching for Jobs on LinkedIn. The address for this article is in the description below. You may find better results by using Boolean search rules. Synonyms. Synonyms are different words that express similar meanings. You may increase the range of your searches by using synonyms. Some synonyms you can use are: professions may use synonyms to have different words to describe the profession. You may use synonyms to describe remote work, like using the word virtual. You may use synonyms to describe a career, like using the word opportunities, jobs, or profession. You may find your next remote opportunity in a LinkedIn blog post. The purpose of the content is to provide insight, research, and opinion, not to provide professional, legal, or tax advice. Please see an individual expert for individual guidance. Thanks for listening. Thank you.